going on, guys? Matt with MotoWorks here, and this is a job I was hoping I wasn't going to have to do for a very long time. But I got the alternator out, and I figured out why it was throwing sparks. And let me show you here real quick. So here's that pain in the butt alternator here, and it was actually pretty easy. I just had to remove that engine mount and drop the engine down a couple inches. And the alternator just kind of slid out there. I had to be real careful of this fuel line that I didn't break it. But it slid right out of there, fit right out. It was good. I also removed the starter as well. But the part that was damaged on the alternator is actually in here. There's a bolt. It looks like a bolt had just come loose, or the piece the bolt mounted to broke. But as you see, I'm spinning it. And you can see that bolt's in there just hitting the back of something. I don't know exactly what. I don't know the breakdown of alternators, so if you do, leave a comment below of what it's hitting. But yeah, that bolt came out, and that's what was making that terrible noise and throwing those sparks. So this is going to go back, get rebuilt if they can, or we'll see what we do with that. But in the meantime, I'm also going to get the starter rebuilt because, again, I was having issues with this. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. And I believe mainly that's because I kept trying to start it, and I believe the person before kept trying to start it. So this starter's probably, and to add to it, this car has 140,000 miles on it, and is, from the best I can tell, it's an OEM starter. Might not be, but it has had some hard use. You know, I probably tried for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to start this car on multiple occasions. So that starter is getting rebuilt, along with the alternator. As soon as I get that stuff back, we'll throw it in quick, and then maybe we'll go for a drive. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing right now?
I'm tightening
Which bolt? Let me see. Is it tight? Let's see. Show me. I got the alternator, dude. And the starter. Right in here. We'll show everybody. They ended up just giving me a brand new alternator. There she is there. And the starter is nice and rebuilt. This thing cranks right over.
Dad, can we take it down to the fire station?
I think today's today, dude.
Yay!
We just got to finish putting it back together, just the little things.
Okay.
And then we still have to finish the exhaust system. So we still have to fix the exhaust to make it work. But we'll be able to ride it down at the fire station. Is that cool? Pound it? Pound it? Awesome. Keep plugging away, we'll get her done. All right, dude, are you ready?
What if we run into
All right, start her up. All the way. Woo! She started. Seatbelt.
I have it.
Oh yeah, you do have your seatbelt. We're going 20 miles an hour, I guess. So I'm gonna keep track of our temperature. I'm gonna keep track of our temperature, make sure it's all good.
Dad, my lap.
Yep. And then we're just gonna go cruise her, see what she does. Get it.
Are you getting it?
turn on some heat. Maybe we have some, I don't know.
We need to turn this off video. Yeah, we need to turn this off video.
Sweet!
Yes, Dwayne. Why are we doing it up here?
We're gonna go to the school.
Why? Why are we going to the school?
We're at the school. We're going up to
The dollar store?
nope, we're going to the fire station.
Why are we doing it a different way?
So we can drive a little bit.
What?
Look, we're driving the smart car, dude.
Yes. How fast does this thing even go?
We're only going 20 right now.
What is that? What is that sound?
Spraying my windshield wipers.
No, that sound back there.
The exhaust.
Smart car.
Smart car exhaust. What do you think, dude?
I like it. Whoa.
Pretty cool. We're gonna drive around the fire station. Ready?
Do you want to do donuts?
Nope.
You want to do donuts?
Nope. I just want to make sure that it works. We can do donuts another day.
Why?
We just have to make sure everything works.
Now are we going to do donuts?
Here, you want to hop in? You want to drive? You want to help steer?
No.
Here, go. Here, hop steer. Help me steer, dude. Here, hop up.
No, I want to stay here.
Okay, thought you wanted to help drive, dude. Putting it into sport mode. I got my shifters now. Try out my paddle shifters.
What does sport mode mean? What does sport mode mean?
It means I can use these little shifters here.
Dad, why can't we do it up there?
You can.
I want to do it up there and come back down there. Here.
Okay.
Can we do it really fast through that corner?
Nope.
Why not? Why can't we do it really fast through there?
Because we're not going really fast here, dude.
I didn't want a turbocharger. That would take too long.
Alright. So we got to drive our smart car, dude.
That's all.
Well, for now. We gotta get a license. So we gotta do all that stuff. Our camera froze. Our camera froze outside.
Did I turn off video?
I don't even think you can. It's just frozen right now. go.
How the camera freeze? Dad, how'd the camera freeze?
It's 22 degrees outside, dude. That's how. We're gonna put it in sport mode. Smoke coming from her.
In sports mode.
Alrighty, dude. Let's see what we got here. We're in sport mode. We're gonna come up here first, and then we gotta back up.
On the rabbit.
Turn it. Straight. A little bit cocked there. There we go. Alrighty, dude. Now we're gonna go put it in sports mode. Okay, you ready? Go! Shift! Hit it! That's the horn. Back it up again. A little bit this way. Straighten out a little bit more. Alright.
How do you wrap it?
Well, I use the gas pedal. Sport mode. This one goes up. I'll tell you when to go up. You move this one to go up. This one goes back down. Alright, so I'm going to go, and then I'll tell you to shift up, and then that's when you want to pull that, okay? Shift up. You gotta let it go. Go back down to one. Boop. Alright. Do this again. It's nice and hot in here now, isn't it? Woo! Turn this heat down a little bit.
I want it up where it was.
Wee, I'm sweating.
That's because you have a sweatshirt on.
That is a good reason to be sweating right now. Okay. Now when I say do it, you just want to go like this. And then I'll put it in second, okay? Ready? Here we go, and I'll tell you when. Go! Yeah! Awesome.
I put it back down.
Sweet. Clutch seems to be working alright. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to do one more rip, and then we're going to park her, okay? Go up, and then I'll tell you car. It runs, it drives. Dawson's super thrilled. He's somewhere around here, but he's super thrilled. We do have to do the brakes yet to it, and put the interior the rest of the way together. I have to figure out maybe why this parking issue is still going on. It doesn't really need to be in park. It has a parking brake that works, so it's not a huge deal, but the car does run. It does everything you need it to do. The clutch feels good. It shifts slowly, but it shifts. And yeah, super stoked. This thing's running great. Oh, I do have to fix the exhaust. So there's little things we still need to do to get this thing 100%. But as far as I'm concerned, it's working. It runs, it drives, it starts easy. So sweet. We'll just keep plugging away and get this thing completely buttoned up and actually take it on a real road test. But it survived the firehouse, survived the fire station. Dawson got to drive it a little bit up and down the driveway, so sweet. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye for now.